Alright now folks, got this BMW. Finna body shine it. Um, Body shine, compound, polish, then the wax to finish. Finna get these water spots out. I don't know if you can see it. Got have a bunch of spots up in the paint. All around the paint. All down it. On the side. I had did a part of the hood last night, but he's sitting right up under a tree, so it's gonna drop sand and dirt and stuff. But you probably tell the difference from this side and the rest of the car already though. But I'm gonna redo it and still hit it again, cause you don't see none of that, none of them things right here. I hit that last night in the dark. Yeah. Yeah, got a little job to do. First we gonna he ran through the car wash, but I'm still gonna hit it with the I'm gonna go over because it's still a lot of shit on this car. Car wash don't get everything off. They do not get everything off. So this is it. What we finna do. And it's bad right here. It's bad right there. It's all on top up here. You want me to do the whole car. So we gonna do the whole car. Rear view mirrors and everything. Alright. Let me get to it, folks. Do shit.